Hey everyone, I'm Dave Stelzl, author of The House in the Cloud, and I just wanted to make a quick video here. I know a lot of you are planning on doing lunch and learns over the coming months. I've already done several with clients that I'm working with. I've got a bunch coming up. And so every time I see someone mention online we're doing an event for customers or prospects, it could be lunch and learn, it could be some other kind of event that an MSP or reseller is doing, the first thing that comes to mind is, well, what's your conversion rate? So as you're doing these events and as you're planning them, one of the things that you ought to be thinking about is, are we going to convert to something? And of course, when I go out and do a lunch and learn, we always have a conversion strategy well planned out ahead. The presentation that I use is built to convert. And so what I thought I'd do is just make that presentation and some of the concepts behind it available to you. So what I did is you'll see a link here with the video. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see it in the first comment section there, a link to go to that training video that I put together. If you're on LinkedIn, you'll see it as part of the post. So anyway, click on the link, check it out. It's free. There's no obligation to do anything. I just thought I'd share that with you. It's one of the things that I do when I do live webinars and that sort of thing. I teach this thing, but this way you can do it in your own time. You don't have to sign up for a webinar and sit there for an hour. You can start and stop it and watch it in segments or whatever you want to do. But it goes through the whole process of how we get people to come to something, what kind of message we present, and then how we drive through to a conversion that leads to long-term business. So check it out, and I'd love to get some comments back, some feedback from you as you watch it.